dribble po, Aso. Bariso sa gilid. Bariso, pass sa kalaban, pass number 11. Pass number 20. Back to Bariso. Bariso, pass number 11 sa gilid. Logo, dribble number. Number 20. Number 20 po sa gitna. Pass number 9. And number 9 is ito po din bago number 17. Pass number 20. Number 20, pass number 0. Back to number 20. Huli ka ang awan ni Bariso. Pass number 9. Number 9, gumamit ang awan is ito po. Back to number 6. Number 6, pass number 20. Number 20, pass number 17, pass number 0. Ngisi 2 4. Number 9, pass number 1. Number 3 4. Goma 3 points. Pass to Bariso. Bariso using the word. Nag-go rin by Goma. Goma pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 6 is 2 points. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 11. Pass to birthday boy. Number 1. Pass number 9, number 9, pass number 11, number 9 ulit, number 9, pass to number 3 seconds violation.
Bakit nagkaka-3 seconds violation?
Wala, tama lang yan.
Stay yung may hawak na bola dun sa loob. Hindi, pag may nag-stay dun.
Number 20, pass to number 6, sa number 3, Nogo, number, pass to Bariso. Bariso binagbaang bola. 5 lang to yan, 5. Pass number 11 sa gilid. DC 2 ball.
All 7 lang po.
Goma, kita ko yan. Nakita ko yung bola. Number 9. Pass number 1. Number 1, pass number 11. Number 11, pass number 1. Number 1, happy birthday sa iyo. Number 20. Number 20, binito sa gitna sa akin na to is 2 point. Inbound ball number 11, pass to Bariso. Bariso, pass to number 9. And number 9, pass to number 1. Pass to number 30, pass to number 9. Number 9, lumipad, nag-order ng number 0.
Tinalaro si Nico?
Number 20. Number 20, pass number. Foul, number 30, first personal foul, first foul. Number 6, pass number 20. Number 20, jump shot, DC 2 point. Bariso dribble the ball. Bariso, 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Pass to number 11. Easy 2 ball.
5 minutes up.
4 minutes lang. Number 20. Pass to number 6. Number 6 tumikot. Number 6. Kapitan ng bola naman ng correct. Pass to number 6. Sa gitna.
Laging gitna oh.
Number 30. Pass to number 9.
Pangalan tumira. Roella.
Number 9, 10 to shot. Pass number 1, number 3. Ano good? Nakuha ni Bariso. Bariso yung nangatlo ko again. Nakuha ni number 20. Number 20. Nagmamadala yung number 20. Uli ka na nakuha number 6. Pass to number 17. No good. Nakuha number 0 is 2 point.
Wala pa. Solo niya lang yun.
Number 11, pass to number 30. Number 30, huli ka na ako ni Goma-Goma. Goma-Goma, huli ka na ako ni number 30, pass to number 9. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Rally place. No good na ako ni number 0. Pass to Goma. Goma sa akin na toys. Ito point. Number 30 gumagamit ng katawan. Number 30, pass to number 11. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass sa gitna. Number 30, huli na kay Goma. Easy the ball by number 1. Time out.
Lang, maliit.
Hindi daw malamig.
Yoka lang yan.
Number 6, pass to number 9. Number 9, paso. Asian Papoy, Inabot, number 40. Paso, number 1. Number 1, bumalik. 2 point.
Uy, bilang ito.
Paso, Goma. Demo 3. 3 points.
Hindi, yung sabi ko.
Number 9. Number 9, pass to Bariso. Bariso bumawi. Inabot, number 9. Number 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Easy the one by Bariso.
Nalong, no?
2 minutes and 20 seconds. Pass to number 6. Number 6, umigo. Number 6, umigo ulit. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 9. Number 9 is a 2 point. Pwede lang na daw yung miss. Last 2 minutes. Number 4. Panggal na pass na para number 9 is a 2 point. Goma, pass to number 9. Pass to number 6. Number 6 ulit, umigot. Foul, Luzon ulit, passing out. Number 40. First personal foul. Second personal. Second team ball pala. Number 9. Number 9 nagamit ang kuya. Number 9 ulit. Ahin to. Nagot. Bruno Lamel. Number 24. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 9. Number 9, wala pa rin na on number 6. Number 6, pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9 is Califa. Double to number 1. 53 seconds. Number 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sige, ingat.
Number 4, sa gitna, foul yung player sa number 24. Number 20. Pass to number 9, number 3. No good. Nakuha ni Goma. Goma huli ka ako. Number 20, pass to number 76. Number 76, pass to number 4. Is a 2 point. Number 30. Number 30, Goma. Ikaw pala yun. Nakuha niya namin. Goma pa rin. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 17. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hula, pound, plus down. Number 32. First personal foul.
Atin.
Pass to number 0. Number 0, dribble the ball. Number 0, pass to number 22, attempt for 3, no good, now only Goma Goma. Goma Goma, pass to number 20, Amigo. Goma Goma, number 20 pala. Number 20 Bunga, number 20 ang napasa ng bala, number 17. Number 17, Taylor shot, PC, 2 point. Nawali, number 76, no good, nawali. Number 32, number 32, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, no good, now number 17, pass to number 9, masyadong malakas. Number 4, grab the ball. Number 4, 15 to shoot. Number 4, pass to number 32, sa gilid. No good, nakoni.
Ay, di, ati po lang.
Wala to. Pass to number 20. Number 20, Ethan down. Number 20, 15 to shoot. Dan number 17, number 3. 3 points. Pass to number 24. Pinanggas ng Goma.
Nice run. Nice game. Nakaano? Yan. Nakasasak ko na Edwin. Gago mo yan.
Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 17.
Ay, gago.
Number 76. 76. Deliver the ball. Number 76. Bumangga. Number 76. Di mapigilan. Foul. Sa uletas ka mo. Number 9. First personal foul. Percy foul.
Time out, tata.
Binas.
Time out.
Tama daw rin. Last throw by number 76, jumper ready to jump. 1 by the left. Pass to number 70. Pass to number 20. Number 20 silang down. Number 20, 20 seconds to shoot. Number 20 ng in-screen with the ball on the pass to number 9. 15 to shoot. Number 20. Number 20. 10. 9. 8. 7. Nagod na ang number 17. Pass to number 17. Wala pa rin ang kawali. Goma. Huli ka ng kawali number 4. Number 4. Pinuha na isa. Number 4. Number 4 pa rin. Nagod na ang number.
Lakas gago.
Pass to number 20. Number 20. Easy. 2 ball.
Hindi mo ako yun. Lakas.
Number 22. Pass to number 76. Number 76. Foul. Number.
Agilus.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Yung malaki parang hindi na naman.
Advantage pa rin yan.
Number 17. Pass to number. Nagkakaroon ba yan? Pass to number 20, number 20. Pass to Goma. Goma pumigit. Foul number 76. Number 76.
Ay, sorry.
First personal foul. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to number 20. Pumigit. Number 21 natin shot. Easy 2 ball.
130 po.
And number 4. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 24. Tumuhot. Easy 2 ball. And number. Pass to number 20. Number 20 na kami mga 50 to shoot. Check ball na ako ni. Nagkakalit na naman ako number 4. Number 4. Foul. Number 20. Number 20 first personal foul. 30 foul.
Sab.
Balik mo ka. Pass sa number 4. Pass to Edwin. Medyo na nagpatrek na goal na ako number 7. Number 7. Nag-up na nga mo yan. Huli ka na ako at number. Ball na. Hasro. Foul number. Goma. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Pass to number 76. Number 76. Gumawa ng katawan number 76. Huli ka na ako ni. Number 24 is into 4. Goma. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Huli ka. Tawag na din sa committee.
Isa. Isa.
Pass to number sa kalaban number 24. Pass to number 4. Pass to sa kalaban number 7. Number 7. Pass to number. Kalbo. Pass to number 6. Goma. Temple 3. Nakuha ni number 32. Pass to number 76. Number 76. Pass to number 4. Pass to sa labas. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Yung agad yung stop ng
Yung
bola.
nagagawa mo yan, pass to mga back to number 6. Number 6 sumigat, number 6 sumigat, pass to. Kakain na. 3 seconds violation.
Si Mika.
Number 4, pass to number 76. Number again, Nakoni. Number 30 seconds.
This one.
25 seconds.
Dalim run.
20 seconds. 18 seconds. 18. 15 seconds. Foul. Nation foul. Another. Last row number 24. Now on number 22. Pass number. Foul. Nation foul ulit. Second personal foul. Penalty red. 9 seconds. 9. Good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 20. Number 23 the ball. Number 20 pinapos sa gitna. Easy. Go ball. Game by the ball by Bariso. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 11. Number 11, back to number 9. Pass number 30, number 30, 10, 9, 8, 7. Traveling violation. Number 20 pa rin. Number 20, Ate 1-3. Nagod na ako number 6. 5, number 1. Ay, hindi. Easy to go, number 1. Number 20. Number 23 with the ball. Pass number 9 at number 3. Nagod na ako number 30. Number 30. Pass number 1. Number 1. Nagod na ako number 9. Number 9. Pass number 20. Number 20. Pass number 6. Nagod na ako number 9. Number 9, pass number 30. Goma, pass number 9. Number 9, pass number 20. Number 20, behind 1. Number 20, pass number 6. Easy to ball. Last 7 minutes. 15 to shoot. Pass number Pariso. Pass sa gitna. Number 30. Huli ka kay Goma. Napakabilis. Goma sa akin na to. Foul. Number 9. Nagod. Last throw by number 13, jumper ready to jump. Call number 30. Number 30, single number 9. Number 9. Traveling violation. Side to rep.
Traveling yun? Huwag lang gunawa ka madalawang kamay pag sir, kabila, sir.
Number 9. Nagawin nga mo yan. Pass number 30. Pass number 1. Pass sa gitna. Number 11. Nagod. Nakaw ni number 70. Pass sa kalaban number 11. Number 11. Pass number 30. Easy to ball. Number 20. Number 23 with the ball. Number 20. Number 20, 15 to shoot. Number 6 sa rebound 3 points. Pass number 9. Number 9, pass number 1. Number 1. Number 1, pass number 11. Pass number 1. Easy to ball. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number Goma, nagod na ako number 11. Pass number 9. Number 9, join na katawan, easy to ball. Number 20. Number 20, atay number 3. Nebol na ako number. Nebol na pala. Pass number 9. Number 9, uligot. Pass number 1. Tinagod again, Renaway Goma. Pass number 20. Number 20. Number 20, nabitawan ng bola. Four minutes and 42 seconds. Number 17, jump shot. Nagod ng wali Goma. Goma, one-handed shot, easy to ball. Easy to ball, number 1. Number 20. Number 20, through the ball. Pass number 17, back to number 20. Number 20, 10, 9, 8. Nagod. Nakuha ni Goma, init. Binukot, easy to ball. And number 9. Number 9.
Wop!
Bariso. Pass number. Ngisi the ball by number 30. 11 pala. Ang number 20. Number 20 through the ball. Pass number 6. Sa number 3. Nanagot na ako ni Bariso. Bariso na magdala. Pass number 1. Ninangati si ito ball. Number 20. Number 20. Pass to Gama-Gama. Gama-Gama bumili. Gama-Gama ang habang isi ito ball.
Bantay, bantay.
Number 9. Number 9, pass number 30. Nanagot na ako ni Gama-Gama.
Hawak Rab.
Gama-Gama. Gama-Gama umigot. Gama-Gama inangat. Wala pa rin. Ako na pa rin. Gama-Gama pa rin. Foul. Plaza foul. Number 1. Number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. Nagod, nako number 11. Pass number 30. Tumama sa paa. Substitution rep. Number 9, pass sa gitna number 76. Number 76, pass sa number 1. Nagod, nako number 17, pass sa number 20. Number 20. Easy to point.
Alam mo yung dalawa natin.
Mga taga saan yan, guys?
Number 76. Number 76. Pass to number 1. Easy to point by number 1. Then back by number 17. Pass to Gama-Gama. Gama-Gama dribble the ball. Gama-Gama. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Nakabang away number 20. 15 the shot. Number 20. Pass to number 10. 9, 8, 7. Huli ka na ako number 17. Number 17. Ngisi 2 point. 1 minute and 55 seconds.
Score! Score ya!
Number 4. Una goal. Number 17. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Substitution break. Number 20. Number 20, 27 the shot. Pass to number 17, back to number 20. Pass to number 17, pass to number 6, sa gilid.
Awa, para.
Easy to ball.
Ngawa. Isa na lang, Jeff.
Number 9. Number 9. Pass number 11. Pass number 9. Pinay sa labas.
Nice D!
Last 1 minute.
Palitan mo si Edson.
Number 20. And number 20 dribble the ball. And number 20 is it down. Number 20 nangihinis skip. Number 20 jump shot. And nagod na ako ni Gama-Gama. 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 35 seconds. 7 to shoot.
Ano po isang buko mo?
10, 7. Boom! 7, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Sayang.
second personal foul, second team foul.
Panglamang ya!
33 seconds. No goal. Good work on number 20. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Foul number 32. Third personal foul. Second personal foul pala. Third team foul.
Pandagdag po din ng alam. Penalty ko na sila, di ba? Ayun na, shooting foul. Hindi yan kaki. Wala pa yung foul eh.
No. Last throw by number 20.
Lamang isa yan, lamang isa.
10,
Harap, bantay.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lalagan.
Diego, number 12, pass to number 76. Gawa ng kalawan, foul. Ay, wala pala.
Tagit na. Rapo, may kakat.
Number 9, jump shot, no good, nakoni. Bariso.
Nice tea.
Number 20. Number 20, dribble the ball. Number 20, 20 seconds shot. Number 20. Number 20. 10, 9, 8, 7. Nakuha ni Bariso. Bariso, binaba ang bola. Bariso, wait na now sa number 4. Huga pass to number 17, pass to number 6. Number 6, good ball.
Harap.
Number 9. Pass to number 76. Number 76, go mga nakatawa. Number 76, using the ball, please hit the ball.
Nice tea pa rin.
And number 20. Number 20, 26, 15 to shoot pala. Pass to number 17, huli ka kay number 4. Pass to number. Tumakasapahan ako number 4 pa rin. Number 9, listen to ball. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 9, pass to number 20. Number 20, 15 to shoot. Number 20. And number 20, 10, 9. Nine seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Nagod na ako ni Bariso. Nako ni number 9. Number 9 na pumatali. Number 9. Foul. Number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Time out correct, time out. Time out Team Maris. Number 20. Number 20 binababa ang bola. Pass number 9. Number 9, take to shot. Number 9. Number 9 pa rin.
Yun,
Go ball.
nakashoot din, tangina. Uy, sayang, nakashoot din.
Number 9. Number 9. Pass number 4. Number 4. Take to shot. Pass number 24. Easy to ball. Number 20. Number 20 dribble the ball. number 20. Naging minus field. Number 20, pass to gumagama, gumamata katawan, gumagama 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, nagot na ako naman. Gumagama pa rin, pass to number 9, pass to gumagama 10 for 3. Nagot rin number 76. 76, pass to number 9, is a no ball.
Haba pa yung oras, kuya.
Number 20. Number 20, foul. Number 4, 5 minutes and 33 seconds. First personal foul, second big foul.
5 minutes pa. 5 minutes, mahaba pa.
Number 9. Number 9 pa rin, wala pa rin mga kanina pa. Bariso. Bariso, pass number 4. Number 4, number 3. Number. Edwin, pass number 9. Number 9, jump shot, is a 2 ball. Number 20, pass number 17, number 3. Nago, trip number 76. Number 76. Is a 2 ball. Number 20. Number 20, pass number 9. Number 9, take the shot. Number 9, pass number 20. Number 20, 10, 9, 8, 7. Nagot na ako number 76. Pass number 9. Number 9. Foul. Number 20. Number 20. Last throw by number 9, jumper ready to jump. Ay!
Ang galing.
Number. Oh. Pass to number 20. Number 20. 20 sa the shoot. Number 20 ng ministry. Number 20. Pass to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 6. Number 6. Foul. Number 24. Number 24. First personal foul. Second big foul. Number 20. Number 20. 10, 9. Easy to call by number 20.
Saan gago? Gago yun.
Number 9, near the wall. Starting pass to the blue. Back to Marisa, number 3. Airborne. Pass to number 20. Kaya number 20, drill the ball. Kaya number 20, in a swing na number 3. Kaya nag-road na ako number. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Pass to number 9. Last 3 minutes. Number 76. Pass number 9. Number 9. Pass number 1. Lazy the ball by number 1. Pass number sa kalaban number 1. Pass number 76. Pass number 9. Steve number 9. Number 9. Nagod again. Now number 6. Easy the ball by number 6. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 9. Number 9 pa rin. Number 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5, plus 5. Substitution red. Number. Defensive pala. Number. 70. Number 70.
Magkaiba ang tawag. Sige, guys.
Offensive.
Third personal foul. Third big foul. 20. Number 20. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 6. Number 6 tumigit. Foul number 24. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ay, good lang pala. Ano go? Nako number. Number 76. Number 76 last 2 minutes. Number 76 pa rin. Pass number 10, 9. Easy to ball by number 24. Pass number 20. Number 20 pass number 6. Number 6 umigot. Pass number Goma. Goma. O wala pa rin. Halip pa number 17. Easy to ball. 1 minute 10. 25 seconds. Pass number 76. Number 76. Pass number 11. Easy to ball by number 11. Number 20. Pass number 6. Traveling violation. Last 1 minute.
Ano na naman?
For number 9. 55 seconds. And number 9.
Nakit ng paglupat.
45 seconds.
Dito. Sinungaling.
40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds.
Last na ba yan, boss?
Number 76. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Ano ba? Ayos din lang.